Mathaa manini tu thutha wa ateteria ihoto cia ũmũndũ gũkĩra president wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu nĩ kwĩra president Ruto ahũre mbeũ njĩthĩ a Kenya rũcamio ma mũgia. Rĩu mũnini wa mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee Fred Matiang'i na arĩa manyitaga mbaru kĩama kĩa Jubilee nĩ mokereire president ũyũ o rĩngĩ.
I mean, we have established ourselves and we hold respect around the world for who we are and how we engage with our young people. So if I was President Ruto, I would have used that particular opportunity to hoist up our credentials and educate the President of Tanzania on our attitude towards our young people. Because our young people are the mainstay of our country today and tomorrow and always.
Matiang'i akĩririkania atongoria aya mathurĩtwo nĩguo a Kenya na aikari a bũrũri wa Tanzania makagunĩka rĩrĩa mabatara ũteithio kuma kũrĩ o, ĩndĩ ti kũmanyarira rĩrĩa maramabatara.
And when Kenya's young people ask questions about what we do, we answer them. That's what happens. If we don't have answers, we also honestly tell them we don't have the answers. So if Kenyan young people are asking questions, for example, what do you expect to happen? That we tell them to go and look for President Suluhu to answer them. They have a president, we have a president here.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu Matiang'i agĩũkĩra atongoria arĩa makoretwo magĩũkĩra president wa kana Uhuru wa Kenyatta akiuga ũũ nĩ kũmwagĩra gĩtĩo.
There is language that we do not expect to come from leaders of that caliber. I mean, as I said here the other day at the press conference, even when we have certain differences and issues to raise about those in leadership, including the president, this language we cannot use to describe the head of state and who is the commander-in-chief of our defense forces, because we respect our soldiers and we respect our men and women in uniform. There are certain things. Lazima tuchore raini, kuna mahali siasa inafikia, and our patriotic responsibility takes over from there.
Muthia Matiang'i nĩ orĩtie mbeũ njĩthĩ kũgĩa na ũigĩrĩrĩki wa kwaga gũtũmĩrwo ũru nĩ ateti gũthoga mĩcemanio ya ateti arĩa angĩ.
Stability of our country, very important, and decency in the way we do our politics. Atutukani watu ovyo tunaenda pale kutukana huyu mtu kutukana. No, they are fellow Kenyans. We may have differences of opinion, that's fine. But they are fellow citizens and we want to be in a decent environment as we go forward.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, Njeta Kamau wa Mwangi.